I think they stick so hard to the rock, and if you try to like move them for a start, they move. But as soon as they feel that like you want to take them off, they kind of get glued to the rock, so it's hard for you to come off.
Can I try to take one off the wall?
Oh yeah, it's hard.
Yeah.
So we're at the seaside, so why not? Why not get some oysters? So yeah, grabbing them. The only thing about oysters in them. So they are live oysters. So, but I'm gonna like crush them and use the oyster shell to make head feed to give them counsel that they're laughing. Yeah. So yeah. That's it. I'm just gonna get some more. Yeah, hard to get off there. Sorry. Okay. I have to start. I'm hitting them. I'm kind of hurting them, which I didn't want to, but I had to take them off. So it's so hard to get off the rock. It's hard.
Right, Addy, just take your time then.
Have to come. I think when you try to spread them off the rock, they get harder. That one is dead now. This one is dead. I killed it.
Right, just take your time then, mate. You dropped it. You dropped it.
I walked. Didn't you change the clothes before?
No, I didn't.
This is hard work. Is there any way I can get this? This is hard work.
For chicken.
Yeah? See? This one is easy. I think they stick so hard to the rock. And if you try to like move them for a start, they move, but as soon as they feel that like you want to take them off, they kind of get glued to the rock, so it's hard for you to come off.
Can I try to take one off the wall?
Oh yeah, it's hard.
Yeah.
Try. That one there, you can actually gradually pinch that off the wall. That one there. Look, that one. Yeah, just be careful, so because if you slip, you may hit your head somewhere. Yeah, just use your hand. No, it's okay. Use your hand. Peel it off from the bottom. Yeah, there. Just try to peel it. If you can't peel off that one, which?
So I want to smack.
No, don't smack it. Hold on. Let me do it. That one is. If you want to smack, let me just take that one off so we don't destroy it. Look, this one is easy because it's already open. You see, these ones are so locked in. It's hard to. You can't move them. Yeah,
Right, after I get them, we can go.
do you want to try?
Yeah.
Just don't smack them too hard. Why don't careful, Skylar, because you may hurt your finger. Careful, Skylar, so you don't scrape your finger. You're killing it. Very nice, kill that one. You know, because the shell is broken. Yeah. Oh, thank you. This one can do too, right? This shell, yeah. Well, I didn't ask you to kill them.
Oh, I got this one.
Yeah, when it's moving a little bit and you try to take it, they just glue to it. They don't. Don't let you. Be careful. Why not? You're just killing them. It is hard work, Vic. Do you want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So,
Just do a little bit and then you stop it.
I'm on the floor.
Well, don't wake that don't make it. Can't get into
This thing is so stubborn.
it. Defense mechanism.
No, I just want to control. You killed it.
Yeah.
Why is the shirt on?
If you touch them, it's a bit loose, but as soon as you try to like pull them, they stick to the rock, so it's hard to come up. They want to survive too. Alright, you can go.
You do it.